Hello and welcome back to a brand new Part 46 video. Today I will be addressing this very common issue on BMW E46s, where the clips from the mirror cap break and cause it to fall off. I'm gonna show you a quick and easy tip to repair it using only common hand tools and some zip ties, so let's jump in. First, you need to drill some large enough holes into the broken clips. Afterwards, you can thread two zip ties through them just like this. And then it's just a matter of patience to get the zip ties through the original holes where the clips once were, to the other side of the mirror. For this you will need to unclip the mirror glass from its housing first. Once the zip ties are through, you just need to tighten them. And that's basically the hardest part. Now you only need to put the mirror glass back on and test if the mirror adjustment still works. In my case, it works great. That's just another successful repair. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Product 46. Consider leaving a like if this video was helpful for you. It's free and it helps me out a ton. Goodbye.